Welcome to Sway Market, your gateway to a smarter way of trading in the Forex market. In today's video, we'll explore the exceptional benefits that make Sway Market your ideal Forex broker. Number 1. Regulation. Sway Markets is a fully regulated broker under the Australian Securities and Investments Commission (ASIC), and it is considered more trustworthy because it means they comply with certain financial standards and regulations designed to protect traders. Number 2. License. Sway Markets, after perfecting all requisite conditions, have been able to acquire a MetaQuotes license. MetaTrader is a popular trading platform used by many Forex brokers, and Sway Markets operates on the new and improved MetaTrader 5. Number 3. Fast deposit and withdrawals. At Sway Market, we understand the importance of seamless transactions in the world of Forex trading. Our platform is designed to provide you with swift and efficient deposit and withdrawal processes, ensuring that you have quick access to your fund. Number 4. Low spreads. Sway Market, as your trusted Forex broker, stands out for its competitive advantage in offering consistently low spreads. Our commitment to providing traders with optimal conditions means that you can execute trades with minimal cost thanks to our tight spreads. 5. Secure and transparent. Security is our top priority. Sway Market employs state-of-the-art encryption and two-factor authentication to safeguard your funds and personal information. Our transparent structure ensures that you know exactly what you're paying, with no hidden costs or surprises. Number 6. Diverse asset portfolio. Diversify your portfolio with Sway Market. We provide access to a wide range of assets, including major and minor currency pairs, commodities, and indices. Explore new opportunities and tailor your trades to your unique investment strategy. Number 7. Affiliate program. At Sway Market, we provide affiliate programs as a way to expand their client base through partnerships with individuals or entities that refer new traders. And we offer generous commission structure to our partners. Number 8. Fast customer support. Your success is our success. Our dedicated customer support team is available every day to assist you with any inquiries or issues you may have. We are committed to ensuring that you receive the support you need when you need it. Number 9. Sway Market's social trading feature is a unique and innovative approach that allows traders to connect, collaborate, and make money from each other's experiences. Users can choose to automatically copy the trades of experienced traders, allowing for passive investment income. Sway Market, this is where innovation meets reliability. Join us today and experience the difference. Visit our website with the link in the video description to get started on your journey to successful Forex trading with Sway Market.